Are you tired of starting over? Do you find yourself constantly battling the same cycle of enthusiasm and disappointment? How many times have you told yourself, this time I'll eat healthy, only to fall back into old habits? We've all been there, excited to start a new diet only to lose steam a few days later. The initial excitement fades and the frustration sets in. Life gets in the way. Cravings hit hard. Stressful days make it easy to reach for comfort foods. It's easy to feel discouraged, to think that maybe a healthy lifestyle is just out of reach. But what if there was a different way? A way that didn't involve drastic changes or feeling deprived? What if eating healthy didn't feel like a chore or a punishment? Imagine looking forward to your meals knowing they nourish your body and soul. This isn't about strict diets or impossible rules. It's about finding balance and making choices that you can stick with. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Little by little, these changes become habits. It's about enjoying your food and feeling good in your body. Embrace a lifestyle where healthy eating is a joy, not a burden. Let's make this journey together. Embracing a healthier you. Starting a healthier diet doesn't mean overhauling your entire life overnight. Small changes can make a big difference. Think of it as a journey, not a race. Start by adding more fruits and vegetables to your meals. Swap sugary drinks for water. Choose whole grains over refined ones. These simple swaps provide essential nutrients and energy. Remember, it's all about progress, not perfection. Every healthy choice is a step in the right direction. Time crunched and tempted, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, finding the time to eat healthily can feel like an uphill battle. Lack of time and intense cravings are two of the biggest obstacles to healthy eating. It's a common struggle many of us face daily. We live in a fast-paced world, and it's easy to reach for processed foods when you're short on time. These quick fixes might seem convenient, but they often come at the cost of our health. But healthy eating doesn't have to be time-consuming. With a little planning and preparation, you can make nutritious meals quickly and easily. Plan your meals ahead of time. This simple step can save you a lot of stress and help you make healthier choices throughout the week. Wash and chop vegetables on the weekend. Prepping ingredients in advance means you can throw together a healthy meal in minutes, even on your busiest days. Pack healthy snacks to avoid unhealthy temptations. Cravings are normal, but having nutritious options on hand can help you resist the urge to reach for junk food. Don't try to fight them head-on. Instead, find healthier alternatives that satisfy your cravings without derailing your diet. Allow yourself small indulgences occasionally. It's important to enjoy your food and not feel deprived. A little treat now and then can keep you motivated. This will help you stay on track in the long run. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. With the right strategies, you can overcome time constraints and cravings to maintain a balanced diet. Practical tips for healthy eating success. Start small. Instead of drastically changing your diet overnight, focus on making one small change at a time. This approach makes the transition smoother and more sustainable. For example, start by adding a serving of vegetables to each meal. Vegetables are packed with essential nutrients and fiber, which are crucial for maintaining good health. Plan your meals. Meal planning is a lifesaver when it comes to healthy eating. It helps you avoid last-minute unhealthy choices and ensures you have all the ingredients you need. Set aside some time each week to plan your meals and make a grocery list. This not only saves time, but also helps you stick to your healthy eating goals. Cook more often. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes. You can experiment with different cooking methods and flavors to keep your meals exciting. Experiment with new healthy recipes. Trying new recipes can make healthy eating more enjoyable and prevent you from getting bored with your meals. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water is essential for your body's functions and can help improve your energy levels and concentration. Water helps curb cravings and keeps you feeling full. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger, so staying hydrated can help you avoid unnecessary snacking. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Eating mindfully can help you enjoy your food more and prevent overeating. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied. This simple practice can help you maintain a healthy weight and develop a better relationship with food. Consistency is key. Celebrate every win. Consistency is crucial for long-term success. There will be days when you slip up. Don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track the next day. Celebrate your successes no matter how small. Did you choose a salad instead of fries? That's a win. Did you drink more water today? Another win. Positive reinforcement will keep you motivated. Your journey to a healthier you. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. It's about making sustainable changes that you can stick with for life. Be patient with yourself and don't give up. Share your journey with friends and family. Support each other. Celebrate your successes together. Eating healthy is always more fun when you're not doing it alone.